Jennifer Dulos case P0lice chief predicts more charges in the disappearance of the Connecticut mom. It's been 41 days since Jennifer Dulos was last seen, as she dropped her kids off at school in New Canaan, Connecticut. Her estranged husband, P0lice Dulos, and his then-girlfriend, Michelle Troconis, and charged with tampering with or fabricating physical evidence and hindering prosecution in relation to. But New Canaan Police Chief Leon Krolikovsky told CNN's Jean Cazares in an exclusive HLN interview he is confident. When asked by CNN if others could be charged in Jennifer's disappearance, Krolikovsky said, "We." P0lice Dulos was released June 11 on $500,000 bond. He and his girlfriend, State's Attorney Richard J. Colangelo, had argued for a higher bond for P0lice Dulos, citing what he said was investigators' discovery of the man's DNA in a mixture of Jennifer Dulos' blood in a faucet inside her New Canaan home. Jennifer Dulos, but Superior Court Judge John F. Blahy denied a prosecutor's request and kept the bond at $500,000, which P0lice Dulos eventually posted. Jennifer Dulos, 50, was last seen driving a 2017 Chevrolet Suburban on May 24 in New Canaan, police said. Her friends report. P0lice Dulos' attorney, Norm Pattis, said his client had no motive to harm his wife. Approximately 24 investigators are working on the local, state and federal level gathering. Krolikovsky asked the public to be patient in waiting for developments because investigators, relatives and friends of Jennifer Dulos, have asked the public not to lose sight of her case. In a statement in June, Jennifer and P0lice Dulos have been embroiled in a custody battle since 2017, and Jennifer Dulos has accused her husband of having revenge fantasies, exhibiting irrational. Before her disappearance, Jennifer Dulos had told officials she was afraid of P0lice Dulos and feared that filing for divorce would enrage him, court documents indicate. P0lice Dulos denied making any threats or bullying her, according to court filings. Since their mother went missing, the Dulos children, ages 8 to 13, have been living with their maternal grandmother at her New York City apartment, according to court documents. Investigators looking into the woman's disappearance discovered stains that tested positive for human blood on her garage floor, as well as evidence of attempts to clean up the scene of what investigators concluded was the day she went missing, surveillance cameras getting out of his truck and putting multiple